guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So this is GainX 1200. This finally got to this support zone and it switched into an uptrend, and you can see it buying right now. Okay, so this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. I'm looking at it getting to this particular spot. If it breaks out from here, it should get to this region. Okay, so this is more of a buying opportunity, and I'm happy that this is happening, guys. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999. This has been on uptrend for a while. Okay, so it has got into this resistance zone, so it's trying to sell. Okay, but with this sell for long, let me show you this, guys, because I've been on this particular asset for a while. Okay, so you can see this is where it is ranging on H1. Okay, on H1 you can see this is where it has gotten to, and we still have more place, more things to milk at the top. You can see it right there. We still have more things to make at the top. So this is just going to be a kind of pullback before it will continue with trend. Okay, so let's go back to 15 minutes time frame to see what is happening right from there. So guys, this is going to be a kind of pullback, then it will go back up and break out above this. Okay, so if you want, you can trade the pullback, which is going to be a little sell. Probably it will get to this region before going back up to buy more. Okay, because this is still very much an uptrend. Okay, so it's selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time. Okay, before it will continue with the buy trend. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. This is still on downtrend, and it is still selling. And of course, if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it will switch back into an uptrend. Okay, but for now, it is selling. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is PayNext 999, and I said something about this earlier today. This actually got to the support zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there, so it switched back into an uptrend, and it has been back since then. Okay, so I'm expecting to get to this region. If it breaks out from here, then it should get to this region. So this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is FX volume 80. This has been on downtrend after jumping into it somewhere here, and it has been selling since then. Even though the movements have been somehow, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity. If it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it will switch back into an uptrend and buy for a while. But for now, it is more of a selling than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis before you go fully into it. Okay, and of course, if you are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Thank you.